Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. And welcome to December. It's December 1st, y'all. I'm going to try. I don't know that I can promise Vlogmas, but I do promise lots of videos, and it's going to have some interesting twists and turns, and I've got some really cool plans ahead. So we'll see what happens. And I'm also going to be documenting my husband's recovery from his hip surgery, because a lot of people go through the hip surgery and they see videos about the before the surgery, but there's not a lot about the healing process. So that's going to be part of my channel this month and, for a while, just kind of to document what's going on. And it was his idea, so we're just going to add that in. It's always interesting to see how people recover from traumatic surgery. So we'll just see how that goes. Anyway, today, I bet you'd like to know what I'm doing today. Today, I am getting my hair done. So I'm not sure what it's going to look like, but it won't be gray. It won't be gray. And you can see later on in my live tonight, my big hair reveal. That sounds exciting, doesn't it? Well, today's palette was a gift to me from my good friend Jeannie. I'm drooling. I'm so excited. I'm spitting with love. Spitting the words out. Literally. From my good pal Jeannie at Unfiltered 50s. She gave me the Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotise palette from CHarlotte Tilbury as a gift. And I'm so grateful for it. It is so beautiful and lovely. And I'm going to do some swatches from it. It is the holiday palette this year from CHarlotte Tilbury. CHarlotte Tilbury palette is very gorgeous. Let me show you what it looks like. It is this beautiful brushed metal, and it's very fancy. I kind of wish it was golden though, because like all of her stuff is usually golden. And then it's got a little nameplate that says the names of the colors. Then I'm just going to show you what the color story looks like. And it's four bunches of 3 shades. Now you can mix and match or just use all, 3 shades for an eye look. I have mixed and matched in this palette. I've only played with it a little bit, but it's very exciting. So I'm going to do some swatches. Oi, we're doing some swatches, are we? Don't get me started with my bad accents. Oh, let me get my little handy dandy makeup wipe ready. You'd think I'd be prepared after like a year and a half of doing videos. All right, so this first trio is from Happy Glow. Oh, so beautiful. And look at that, so pigmented, so shimmery. Look at that shine. It is gorgioso. Then the next 3 is Love Glow. Look how beautiful that is. It is very beautiful. The next is Dream Glow. And I think I'm going to be focusing on the Dream Glow, this eye look. And these are all shimmers. Most of these are shimmers. There's like 3 mattes. And this last section is Seduce Glow. I hope it's not too sexy for you. Is it too sexy? Or is it just sexy enough? So that's the palette. It is pigmented. It is shimmering. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to put it on my eyes. Beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of grain. We're putting this Mountain Majesty on my face today. Ooh, Woo, woo, we're putting it on my face. Woo, woo, woo. I cannot wait to put it on my face. Anyway, and there are individual shade names, but they're very small and hard to read. So we're just going to go with the glow sections. And I'm going to start with Dream Glow, which is this kind of purpley pink section. And I'm going to start with this middle color, this pinky color. I'm going to put that in my crease. Oh, it doesn't look pink at all. But it blends out super nice. But that did not turn out as the color that I expected. I just watched it, so I should have paid attention. But I just get so dazzled by all the shimmery colors that I can't hardly do nothing. But it's beautiful. It ends up more plummy than pinky. So I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I've been noticing the vast discrepancy between each eye, especially in my Jeffree Star Blood Money video. My eyes were very different, and my eyes are different shaped, and there's this one's smaller area than this one. And I know I tell you guys this stuff all the time, but it does make a difference. It does make it harder to make things even, but I will do my best to do better with that. And that's just for me. You guys probably don't care at all. But I care. I care. So I'm going to go under the brow with this beautiful light shimmery color. Now this has got a pink shift to it. So beautiful. Now, I would have never gotten this palette for myself. It's super beautiful, but it's just something that I never thought. It's like I admired it from afar. And it is one of my favorite gifts that I've received this year. And it's really awesome to have someone share the gift of makeup. And I try to share the gift of makeup with you guys all the time. And I'm going to be doing giveaways. I'm going to be doing several giveaways this month. So for the holidays. Oh, it's so pretty. I think I'm going to take that shimmer and go on the inside of the lower lid also. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's just really interesting how these little quads work. These well, trios. It's a quad of trios, to be specific. A quad of trios, I say. And I'm going to go into the darkest plum here. And I'm just going to keep everything super simple today, because I'm trying to stay within the trio. Oh, so pretty and smoky. It's so smoky. It's beautiful. Smoky look. Can you catch how it shimmers? Catch how the light's catching it? It's looking so gorgeous. And even though I said I wanted to try to stay within the trio, I'm going to go outside the trio for a pop of, oh, I don't even have highlighter on. Ooh, maybe I can blend this out and then put highlighter in the center. Oh, I'm such a genius. I'm just thinking of this now. So I'm just blending this all out to soften it up. I can't believe I keep forgetting to do highlighter lately. I don't know what's up with that. So let's get my newest highlighter, the Covenant Garden. That's not my newest, but it's perfect for this. It's kind of a pale pinky shimmer. And I'm going to use this Morphe brush. And this is by Ofra. I did not say that. Very beautiful. So I'm going to take my finger, just pop that shimmer from the highlighter right into the center to brighten it up a bit, because it's kind of a deep smoky plum look. And that just really brightens it right on up. And next we're going to be doing eyeliner and mascara. We're going to be using the Stila. And that makes a great liner. Then we're going to be using the Dark Star from, I'm so bougie today, with my Charlotte Tilbury and my Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath. But you guys know I'd go from affordable to bougie all the time. This mascara is so great. It's not dried out a bit, and I've been using it for quite a while now. And it just keeps giving me long lashes. Great definition. I'm just loving this mascara. It's totally worth it. I got this in a combination with a fancy face mask from an ad on Facebook. Oh, I feel so glamorous. And then for my lip, I think I'm going to do a lip pencil and a lip gloss. Let's see. Yes, this lip pencil would be great. It is the Ace Beauté lip pencil in this color. I can't read what it's called. It's a very nude color. I'm going to fill my lips in. I really could barely read that it was Ace Beauté on the actual pencil. It says, let me see, Be Peachy. And then I'm going to use my Jeffree Star lip gloss in Diamond something. It's so small. I'm going to use this. Just a beautiful glowy look for the holidays. And I want to thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you real soon.